All right guys, so I haven't posted a video in a while, but right now today we're going to do a real quick light swap on these tag lights. All right, now this is on my 05 Dodge 2500. This will work on, I believe, 2002 or 2003 to 2018 Dodge Rams. It doesn't matter if it's a 1500 to a 3500, and it should be very similar to just about any truck that has the lights, the tag lights right there in the rear bumper. So like I said, I'm going to make this real quick. We are swapping them out with some LEDs just because I got a bunch of them laying around. Here is one. It's just an Amazon special. Now this is a 194 bulb, 194, 168. They'll all work. So we're gonna get this done. Okay. All right, so going underneath the truck, see if I can get a good picture of this right there. Now you're gonna take that, you're gonna rotate that counterclockwise. The bulb is gonna come right on out, and then I'll show you what that looks like. All right, right there is that plug out of that mount. Now you're just gonna take that bulb right on out. You're gonna put that LED in there. Before you put this back in to the housing, you're gonna wanna make sure that you check to see if the LED light works, because you might have to rotate it 180 degrees. LEDs, you need to worry about the polarity. So we're gonna take that one out, put the LED in. And there you go. That is a nice, quick, easy swap. And if you got some of those bulbs laying around, you can do it real quick. You can see the difference there. So, sweet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like, subscribe if you want to. Thanks.